In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw vectors in Inkscape step by step using both basic shape tools and the powerful pen tool for custom paths. Whether you're brand new to Inkscape or just want to improve your vector drawing skills, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's start with the basic shape tools. On the left-hand toolbar in Inkscape, you'll find tools like the rectangle tool, which you can activate by pressing the circle or ellipse tool with E, and the star or polygon tool using the asterisk key. These are perfect for quickly creating clean, scalable vector shapes. To draw a shape, simply click and drag on the canvas. As you drag, you'll see the shape form in real time. Once you've created your shape, you can adjust it using the handles that appear around it. The square handles allow you to resize the shape, while circular handles let you modify things like corner rounding for rectangles or arc angles for circles. Here's a really useful tip. If you want a perfect square or a perfect circle, just hold down the control key while dragging your shape. This locks the proportions so everything stays perfectly even. Now, let's move on to something more advanced. The pen tool, also known as the bezier tool, you can activate it by pressing B. This tool gives you complete control to draw custom vector paths from scratch. Start by clicking anywhere on the canvas to place your first node. Each click adds a new point and straight lines will connect them. If you want to create curves instead of straight lines, click and drag when placing a node. This will create handles that control the direction and smoothness of the curve. As you build your shape, you can either close it or leave it open. To close the shape, simply click back on the first node you created. It will highlight to show you it's ready to connect. If you want to leave the path open, just press Enter. Once your path is created, press N to switch to the node tool. This lets you fine-tune your design by clicking and dragging individual nodes or adjusting the handles to refine curves and angles. This is where you can really polish your vector artwork and make it look professional. And that's the core of drawing vectors in Inkscape, from simple shapes to fully custom paths. Take some time to experiment with both methods and combine them to create more complex designs. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.